The multi-purpose tool that comes with the Pfaff machines is pretty multi-purpose. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can use this. So first off, there is a little hole in one of the little toes here, and that is perfect for catching your needle when you loosen it so it doesn't drop into your machine. It also has a flat side on the back, so when you go to put your needle back in, you can drop your needle down, flat side will stay to the back, easily get that screwed in, and all the way as high as it will go into your machine. We've also used it to stitch buttons on and leave that little shank of thread. So when you sew a button on, we were just doing that at stitch number 16, that's in your buttonhole menu in your subcategory 3. That leaves you that shank, so when you have a second layer that's going to button to it, that goes directly underneath and provides that length of thread needed. The other use that we did is for our denim seam, and we have a link to sewing the buttons on and to the denim seam right up here. You can find yourself sometimes when you go up and over really thick areas that the foot goes up the mountain or comes down the mountain. It can break needles or get little tiny stitches. But with the multi-purpose tool, it can level out the foot. So if it's really a tall area you're stitching over, put the tool underneath the part that's kind of low and it will bring the foot nice and level. A level foot is going to have even pressure even if it's way up here, but this doesn't give you even pressure, and you can use it to get up the mountain, and then you can use it when you come off the mountain, and then that way you don't have stitches that are not even all the way across those thick areas. So the multi-purpose tool, make sure you keep it close by. Mine usually goes back in the accessory box on the back side so I can easily get to it when I'm sewing.